Autonomous District Parliamentary Constituency a returning officer pen birta amai ke pha. Pining lak troxira suri sir capra pho so se water apai ke bat. Hanjang Langso Sport Association pathua klamalong ke pache klama sai ke pangcheng. Rising Bud NGO lapen Bukajan Cricket Club atum patir pi ponsi Upper Diopani Balijana long ake joy ben se kelanga sai ke deng. Karbi Prime Time pen Nili Birda Thanbang Sami Monica Milikpi Dom Birda Ton pen Arjuik tha. Othermost District Parliamentary Constituency a returning officer Mate Karbi Deputy Commissioner pen Therepo Inkora Sir Keparni Birda Mai Phasi Kilikaphan Kachisi Kachedanga Puthak Pherangke aphan Than Pachini. Election Commission of India pen Therepo Inkora Sir Keparni Jangmi Krener Keparni Kedoji Autonomous District Parliamentary Constituency Kilikalong Ahoka Congress pen Biren Singh Ingti BJP pen Horen Singh Be ASDC pen Holiram Terang APHLC pen John Singh Tikathar Lapen NPP pen Lian Khotchon Bangphu Angbong si Kiliga Thama Chedanji Returning side Pupen Kilik Kisi Kedangalam Pherang Keaphan Pachini si Jangmi Krener Keparni Kedoji MP Kilikaphan Chitigwen Lopusi Alangli Ningje Haflong Legislative Assembly, Bokajan, Hauraghat, Difu, Lapen, Baithalangso Legislative Assembly, Keparlo Kahelo Polling Station along, Jangmi Krep Hoar Nipen, Kerampang Cheng Poputa, returning Saipu, Pherang Keaphan Pachini thu.
Itimede Norge Gompaise, we have already finalized the list of contesting candidates. There will be 5 candidates.
Hanjang Langso Sport Association pathua klamlong there niphai kora sir keparni ada por phainer kep apor pen saike klem kapang cheng pona birta pherangke anante rang pen birta napale. Chief Minister Samagra Gramya Unnayan Yojana pen Hanjang Langso Sport Association pathua klam kepa me mate kapache klam ponji aphan saike klem kedam kepang cheng. Labangso asai keklem ke dam jephan nonamat Hanjang Langso Sport Association atong phan sika lakner ke batangka pajir ponlo lapen non lan asai tang etlote puthot sikal lakrehini pipon thujilang Chief Minister Samagra Gramya Unnayan Yojana a scheme pen pusi Hanjang Langso Sport Association amaipu Jiwan Chandra pathak ahin pen pachini sika lakner ke batangka pen sai keklem ke dam I ponji lake kepathua klamalong sangti ke thok kepathua klam arai rai donkey hood HSA Saihem Kapathi Thuji Lapen B Chainong Kapalut Thektheji Aphan Saisi Klemdam Pon Poputa Birta Pachini Pontu Labangso Asai Keklem Kedam Along Kachera Puchetodun EM Barimatu Ramsing Tongbi Rajendra Rongpi Aparim BDC Chairman Uttam Tiso Kangtherbe Rajan Rongpi Pencheng Lok Kethekeding Atung Chetong Dunsi Sai Keklem Kapang Chen Ponadim Along RDP Dun Rising Bud NGO Lapen Bokajan Cricket Club atum kachera pen there ini phaing koira ner cap arni ada por phai cap apor pen Upper Diopani Balijana long ake joy pen se kelanga sai kedeng pona birta pherangke ananterang pen birta napali Bokajan Cricket Club amai phusar dili be pen kachepaham phupona mailong Dr Diganta Chaudhuri Gautam Chakraborty Niyok Jyoti Borua Rahul Sangma Lapen Nurse Omputi Sopi atum pensi keso lang ponlo Bangso se kelang along pangrum pet pen bangin koi so se atumaphan se lang ponlo lapen dowai hei huita pajir ponlo anparta mesen pensi pachun ponlo pusi sidhart chobe pen pachini non molom so por phan birta moin ton poniksna
Kan kray silo vote ke joktan nilikai ta mathadam
niliki piawot lakha pondoma kalite nilike berate machine along clamp pameloma
nilikai ta mathadam ke jokateng pen ke patini avar sai doma
ningke hanga bang phophat ke joka vote lo dam lo puang thek doma ningke hanga party aphan
kachiki klong isia kimia dichi vote ke jok ang thek kot pen ke patini un adichi vvpet henlo Nilining dorik ason anthir thipen kangsai unadichi lake isi salajong pen karjab adichilo lapen EVM along cherap lok ahormulo EVM lapen vvpet pen nangli ko son si vote jokpo Kengkam isi polling booth arlo kilut vote ke jok ahem arlo kilut dampen presiding officer si ballot unit pekarpo. Kengkam hini vote jok milo ballot unit along akilir abatan along ning ke hangabang puamen mate ang tek pen pachiton ra ber ignon. Kengkam ke thom ake era tur klang luma ning ke hangabang puamen adung ake era tur klang po. Kengkam pli kang chap alu klang luma vivipet along ke klang kang chap alu aphai lang ignoi haladak nang lining ke hangabang puamen mate ang tek klang luma labang so kang chap alu achet second troxian siklang chonji laso apilo te amina chi thui pen che beng pet si siang deng along che thap dam thot po vivipet ke isi akimi che thang klong adi chilo nili inut det pia mekar lapen nili che chini komata phansi vote ke jok vek ma lapen nili theklong lo ko pima ning ke the klardak chingbar kri ke jok vek avot ning ke hang abang phua phan lelu pu ke patini pen ning che pang samjin na phan lo lasi vote ke jok a hemar lo pen bar be aprang e phong vivipet along patini te kang tha laki ke mesen alam lo jongsi electoral voter list along nang limem thap thelang puluti lapen nang li jongsi arkoi niphai isi inkoira sirkep an nang li arta ning kan khena kep choklu puluti polling station abial o aphan nang limen che thap dun pen democratic right ate non ke nang leji lok sabha election inkoira sirkep aput vote chok dun ignon.
Second All Karbi Volleyball Championship 2019 starting from 27th to 29th of March at Difu Club, Karbi Anglong. Organized by Karbi Youth Organization. Come and own the title. Champion trophy with prize money 20,000, runners-up trophy with prize money 10,000, best player trophy with prize money 3,000. Register now. For more information, please contact at the number given on screen.
Dona pirbi kemat karjonga ka Kopia kopai pirthe ke ba dong lela ne senghe kansa matha dam lote ne kayala oni ache the na ansi chelo jine
Turkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 AM to 1 PM. Turkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students, sponsored by Turkimi Society.
I've been a voter for the last 11 years. I've always wondered
if my vote counts or if the machine has recorded what I've pressed.
I've always thought, what if there's a verification system
which provides proof that I've voted for the candidate
and the party of my choice?
Introducing a system that can assure you. The voter verifiable paper audit trail or VVPAT is one answer to all my questions. This is one independent system attached to the electronic voting machines that allows the electors to verify that their votes are cast as intended. How to cast your vote using the EVM and VVPAT. Step 1. Enter the booth. The presiding officer will enable the ballot unit while you enter the voting compartment. Watch out for the green light on the EVM indicating the machine is ready. Step 2. Cast your vote. Press the blue button on the ballot unit against the name or symbol of the candidate of your choice. Step 3. See the red light. The red light against the name or symbol of the candidate chosen will glow. Step 4. See the print. Look for the transparent window of the VVPAT. Look for the printed paper slip showing the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate of your choice. The slip remains exposed for 7 seconds, then it gets cut and falls in the drop box of the VVPAT. VVPAT, the revolution in the electoral world. As a citizen of this country, I know what and who I voted. I experienced trust, transparency and fairness. It's about verification and voters' satisfaction. Do not leave the polling station without looking at the VVPAT. This is a good thing.
If your name is not in the electoral roll and you have completed 18 years of age as on 1st January 2019, then contact the BLO of your polling station to enroll your name and establish your democratic right to vote in ensuing Lok Sabha election 2019.
Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap.
Report lo nangina chusir ham tamle ingisu.
Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok taun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepakeng dan lo mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, lo nalok Karbi beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma, kona lo lake.
Jifoi ti arlo Iron Bridge adung rong supia long ke cengsi sopin so lapen so arlo tu kapamada dim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo, ke cengsi sopin so lapen so arlo pan kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off, hey hui long ponikti. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor, near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongparpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong napadari pinpin ang humrig mo.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la pentesri alang hiti kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang, tharwe alang, teso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, telua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihina mo opi putot birda long wang tuiglo. Difu dharam nala along the Karbi long Tai Home Cultural Society atumpe patir piponsi there ni phain ko ner kep arni methang Cultural Society a hemalong thong kep raket homang deng joymoti divas arni katalon duna birta pherang kepen karnis asa hemalong birta na pale. Jaime ka teng pen ada por phai sir kepra chitim apor malong pen KATACS amai phu Debo Kumar Gogoi ari deng pen song alama inthu ponlo. La sopi joymoti aphan chiki momelur donmai phu prejoram dihinggia pensi jalin ponlo. Aphitu arni gangsam por phai plia por pen maing ni ponthu. Karbi long Kekita Samura Samiti amai phi Sabitri Gogoi pen kachepahem phi bonamaya long DGC a professor Dr. Suranjana Hasnu Alhisar Pia Man pen chetongdun Anparta Renuka Terangpi Memorial College a principal Ajanta Setia atum pen chenglok penangan kethikiding atum chetongdun Asamadang pi prekja mahawar long Joymoti Diwas Katolondun Asonsi Difolongta KATACS atum pen Sitame Thomke bracket hom ang deng talondun lo bangso mailong richo kai hut Joymoti ke klem kedam ahut pen chenglok apran ke endet pen kheya phan kana hok he huya puthak aluhia tum pen than pachini Kedamtang there ni phaing koira trok ajo ke chono ki mu ke cholong lok ajok choki hola sangtilang so maker Daniel Intia Hemalong bang trok atuma phan Jorhat Civil Hospital along keso ka chelang damnang abirta there ni phaing koira sirke parni card news along birta na pale ke chono ki mu ke cholong lok ajok choki hola sangtilang so maker Daniel Intia Hemalong bang trok atuma phan tongse kot pen Jorhat Civil Hospital along keso ka chelang aphan ke ponna Seka chelang dam nang atum lake rai community rukasan inti longbi inti rosteron pi lapen jirjar inti atum henlo lapen inut jirjar inti abangke se chelang bom hosi arong chiboy juilo alang litum keso ka chelang aphan warsai mate tangka maha kavya jok kisung hektik pensi keso chelang nanglo non alang li kamatha kisung ajok thangnat abidida chipi thekthederlo non alang ni tangka kenang sotlo lasi khe hejan kaching hon lapen kacherap angthek chipi dun tha lapen injin so dun bek tha pusi Karbi Termas Council kachari ke thekiding atum lapen hamphanga song kedoan pen anparta pregjam sai kamalong saipu lapen chokomara tumanta kacherap kacheto dunji aphan chokihola hawar pen bilison terang pen kachuningri pado Karbi Prime Time Angela Ponsing Ton Poniglo Domit Hagme Kurwang Thu